Hi everyone, this is a free tutorial that I have available. I'll put a link below where you can go and sign up and get the full tutorial, but I've had a few people ask me some questions about maybe slowing down and showing you, I don't even know if I can do this, but I'm going to try to slow down and show you how I hold my brush to create the petals on the sunflowers and maybe some of the leaves. I paint fast, and that's usually how I can get really loose and come up with something that is more impressionistic because I'm going really fast. But I understand that seeing how something is done in a slower motion, it will be helpful. So I'm gonna try to do that for you. So I'm gonna switch over here. And I'm using what am I trying to say? A filbert brush. It has this little rounded tip on it. So that makes it, when you make a mark with it, it already has that rounded look. Can you see that? Rather than it being totally flat. So for this purpose, I'm using this, and I'm going to go ahead and put in what's going to be the center of my flower, and then I pick up some of the yellow ochre, and I'm trying to think how I can do this so you can see. Okay, so I'm holding my brush kind of like this rather than like this, and I'm going to start and just make a press down and then lift up. So, and it's kind of like a swish motion that I'm making. You can also go this direction, but that is a little bit harder for me. I usually start in the center and go out, something more like this. So that's how I get this center of the flower to look like that. And then I'm going to grab some brighter yellow, cadmium yellow, and I'm just repeating the same thing. And I lift up a little bit with my brush, if you can see that. So I'm pressing down, and then as I move my brush, I'm lifting up, taking away some of the pressure. But doing this slowly is kind of hard for me to do. Okay? And then I would repeat that using a lighter yellow. But like I said, if you want the complete tutorial, you can go to the link and grab it. I do the same thing when I'm making my leaves. So let's just use the same brush, rinse it off a little bit, mix up my green. So leaves, they're going to be hard to see on here. Let's do a light spot right here. When I'm doing leaves, I do the same thing, press and release, basically. And you can go both directions, twist it, make small and wide leaves. So when you're doing it quickly and try not to think too hard, that's what helps me to create better leaves and greenery just in general. So like on this little bitty one, see, I've got some short ones, some skinnier ones, some longer ones, and they're also different colors of green. So there's a little bit of white added to some of them. There's a little bit more yellow in some, and there's a little bit more black in some, to give it that little different value and different color, really. So I hope this was helpful. Maybe it slowed it down enough that you could see a little bit better of what I'm doing with my brush when I'm creating. And I know this doesn't look quite as good as as the tutorial, but I was trying to slow down and show you how I'm holding my brush. And so you just press and release, basically, and that hopefully will help you. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.